This video isn't a feature tool. This is the real question. What happens to your workday when the keyboard stops being the default? Typeless' whole message is basically speak, don't type. And the brief wants creator to focus on real-life use cases, speak naturally, and share why it's a game changer inside your workflow. So I'm going to walk you through a simple day-in-the-life workflow. I'm talking about emails, docs, quick edits, and even reading translation without breaking the flow. Let's go. Work principle, thought speed instead of typing speed. The biggest productivity boost isn't faster typing. It's removing the gap between I know what I want to say and now I have to type it perfectly. Because typing forces you to think in typing speed. But your brain doesn't work like that. Your brain works in ideas, chunks, and momentum. Typeless is built to remove filler words, auto-edit mid-through, auto-format perfectly, and understand intent. So your first draft is already good. And here's the real workflow change. You stop saving your best thinking for later when you have time to write. You capture it immediately, cleanly. So workflow number one, email triage, fast, clean, done. The classic productivity sink, replying to emails. Instead of thinking, typing, deleting, rewriting, I dictate once and Typeless format it into a polished email, ready to send. Let's do a realistic morning inbox scenario. Subject, quick confirmation. Hey, yes, I can share the revised version by end of the day. If you want it shorter or more formal, tell me. Thanks. BMF Media. See? That's one email done in seconds. Literally. Now multiply that by 10 emails a day and you feel it. Even more. But I want to show the real power. Switching tone without switching effort. Subject. Read next steps. Hey, thanks for the update. Here's what I'll do today. I'll revise the intro, send the draft by 4, and we can finalize tomorrow morning. If anything changes, replay here and I'll adjust. Thanks, BMF Media. Do you see? Awesome. You sound organized and professional without spending 3 minutes composing. I love it. This is how Typeless boosts productivity in most boring, most important way. It removes the friction from communication. I really like it. Next, notes. Now, Typeless formats notes into bullet points or number lists when needed, right? So they are organized and clear without manual formatting. Here's a quick meeting ended 10 seconds ago scenario. Action items, finalize the outline, send recap to the team, schedule recording, review edits tomorrow morning. Wow! Do you see, guys? Now your notes are actually usable immediately. Awesome, awesome. And let me add one more realistic format. A recap that normally turns into a messy paragraph. Meeting recap, decisions. We are publishing Friday. Open questions. Do we want the tone more direct or more friendly? Next steps, I'll rewrite the intro. Sam reviews by the end of the day and we send the final tomorrow. Perfect, guys, perfect. Now that's the workflow value, because the worst part of note-taking isn't writing, it's the cleanup later, right? Yes, indeed. Now, if Typeless makes your notes ready instantly, you actually keep better notes because you're not punishing yourself for capturing things. Now, this is where Typeless transforms work. Because writing isn't just drafting, it's rewriting, right? On iOS, speak to edit, you can select any text and say how you want to change it. Kinder, crisper, reformatted, punchy replay. Anyway, sure, no problem. On Mac and Windows, speak to edit, we have the rewriting assistance. The brief frames desktop, speak to edit as writing assistant. Highlight any text and speaker command and Typeless can make it shorter, longer, can change the tone or generate a creative response. It's like your personal editor anywhere you type. So the workflow becomes draft by speaking, edit by speaking, and ship. That's the transformation, guys. Now let me show it as a real workflow moment. This paragraph is okay, but it's too long, right? Make this shorter, clearer, and more confident. Wow, Can you see, guys? It's already done. Here's another moment. Now, sometimes you wrote something that's technically correct, but the tones falls off, right? Watch this. Make it friendlier, but keep it professional. Do you see the result? This saves the time most people don't measure. The time you spend rereading your own message, thinking, does this sound weird? Right? So Speak to Edit lets you fix the tone instantly and keep moving. Here's the productivity killer people don't notice. You are reading a website or a document you can't edit. You want a summary or explanation, so you switch tabs, copy-paste, ask another tool, come back, and so on, right? Now the context switching is where your momentum dies. Typeless removes that detour. You can interact with read-only text, highlight a paragraph, and ask for a summary, explanation, or a translation without breaking the flow. So in a real workflow, you can do things like summarize this in one paragraph, explain this like I'm new to it, pull out the key action items, and if it's in Chinese, you can translate this, right? And you stay in the same place you are working without turning your day into a tab juggling competition. That, in my opinion, is pure workflow leverage. If you work across languages, this is big. You can speak in your own language, and Typeless turns your voice into the language you choose, without translation that sounds truly native in real time, flowing into your workflow. And the brief notes, this translation feature is currently available on Mac. Also, you can select editable text and use Speak to Edit to translate it instantly. So instead of translate later, it becomes translate as you work. Super cool, right? Yes, indeed. And that matters more than people think, because translation workflows usually break concentration. You jump into a translator, paste, tweak, paste back, reformat, recheck tone, etc., right? Here, it becomes one continuous action inside your normal writing flow. Productivity isn't about doing more tasks. It's about staying in flow. Typeless boosts productivity because it keeps you inside the app you already use, cleans up spoken thoughts into published output, format your work automatically. It lets you edit with your voice instead of retyping, and reduces context switching with reading assistant and translation. And that's the transformation. You stop treating writing as typing. You treat it as thinking out loud and shipping the result. If you want, I can do a follow-up video where I can show a full workflow in one uninterrupted take. I'm talking about emails, notes, edit, summary, translation, everything done by voice. As usual, thanks for watching. And if you have any questions, leave a comment down below. Drop a like if you enjoyed the video. And see you guys in my next AI tool recommendation. Peace out.